I'm filming with this camera because I really don't want the trolls out there messing with any of my legal stuff, but I got this cool old-timey that is notarized, and I've got the old 3-copy Washington title. This is like from 1957. This is like, man, look at that. It's got like 3 copies in it, and it's all like bluish in there, and man, that's cool. It's like, I don't know, historical documents. And I wasn't too happy to find out that Department of Licensing, even though the truck has never been out of state of Washington, it has lived its whole life in the state of Washington. And it was a water truck. And then sometime in its life, somebody yanked the 3,000 gallon water tank off of it. And I think it did a little logging, maybe not. It's got a cool old minty headache rack on it. And I don't want to play it up too much because it is rough. And it's a project. So what looks great to me may not look too great to you. But to me, it does. And that's all I care about. I would hope that you would like it for me. But this is just my love of old machines, particularly Kenworth, and I've driven them all. I've driven just about every brand, from Oshkosh to, actually, I would like an Oxmoch. But, yeah, Volvo. I even drove a Volvo white GMC. That's all one truck. 3 makers on it. And that, I wasn't too impressed. That was right around the time companies were merging, blending, buying. Somebody was buying somebody, you know, somebody was scratching somebody, and another person, you know. I don't know. There's a lot I don't know. I don't know much. But I do know driving, heavy equipment, and I love Kenworth trucks. So I will get you guys some pictures to see. Like I said, bear in mind, it's rough. But I love it. And it's going to be cool. I already have a vision for it. So anyways, guys, we got Rich's truck home. The next thing we have to do, we have to get my Needlenose home. And yeah, so I'll probably be asking for help from the Northwest chapter guys, the ATIS guys, my ATIS brothers and sisters, and we'll just take it one step at a time. But anyways, that's all for tonight, guys, and remember, who's your bud with the, you know, that big thumb? I swear that emoji was made for me. What do you think? Should I, like, tell the emoji makers, you guys, you modeled that after my thumb? Big thumbs up. I'm gonna have to come up with some kind of sign off, like "Ocha" or "Yeah," or I don't know, something. You guys, I'm too tired. I'm going to bed. Take care, guys.